that's that bad. And a lot of young ladies that I know are still wearing maxi dresses, the full-length dresses.
Yes, she is rocking it. And it's really sort of like the hair situation, the Farrah faucet, you know.
The feather.
Which I kind of love, I'm not going to lie.
Thank you.
But, you know, we can sort of soften it, bring it a little bit more to now. But yes, sexy girl, work it. Now, that is from the 70s.
Christine, is that actually from the 70s?
That's actually the late 70s.
Right. Yes.
And
it's the same.
You look the same, by the way. You look beautiful.
Except I expanded like a market.
But, whoa, yes, girl.
Christine!
That's right.
Well, we know a little more about how she spent the 70s now, don't we? Are you willing to let her do whatever she
You
likes?
know what? I would have never in my life try anything else with anybody else, but I'm gonna see what a professional does tossing my hair.
There you go. There we go. Come on, girl. All time. You Seriously? You are going to freak. Don't cry. You look smoking hot. I'm going to get out of the way. You're going to turn around and see yourself. Don't freak out. You look amazing.
I look yummy?
Oh, way beyond yummy, baby.
Yeah?
Way beyond yummy. Turn around.
Ready?
Check yourself out.
Oh my God.